How to fix error code 7002.1 from Rockstar Games Launcher, GTA 5, and as well as on RDR2 or Red Dead Redemption 2. Now, this is just a basic troubleshooting steps that I'm going to be giving you out. So first things first is if you're currently running it via Steam, whether GTA 5 or RDR2, just go into your Steam client, log in into your account, go to library, pull up your GTA 5 or RDR2 game, and then just simply head over to properties and then go to installed files. And under your right side, simply choose on verify integrity of game files. Once you've done that, simply try to relaunch the game again. If those troubleshooting steps is not working, all you have to do next is go into your Windows icon, type in Defender, and then in here just go into Windows Defender Firewall. Now choose on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. And then in here, look for Steam or Rockstar Games. If not, just choose on allow another app, browse, and simply look for the main folder that you have on Rockstar Games. And once you've done that, just simply hit on add and OK and restart your PC. And that is how you fix error code 7002.1 Rockstar Games Launcher GTA 5 and RDR2.